consider it you to think of me here, and I'm almost obliged to you for making it clear I'm not here. And I never knew the moon could be so big, and I never knew the moon could be so blue, and I'm grateful that you threw away my old shoes and brought me here instead dressed in gray. Wondering who could be writing this song. I don't care if the sun don't shine, I don't care if nothing is mine, and I don't care if I'm nervous with you. I'll do my loving in the winter. And the sea isn't green, and I love the queen. And what exactly is a dream? And what exactly is a joke?